Hey guys, I'm going to make a video about opening up the Aroma rice dispenser, the ARD-125 that just came in from Amazon. Just got it. So let's go through this and see what we've got. Again, this is the Aroma ARD-125 rice dispenser. I didn't see any other videos on YouTube, so I figured I'd make one. Here we go. As you can see here, sorry for the spinning camera. I don't normally make these type of videos, or any videos for that matter. Come on. I need some practice, obviously. Sorry, it's like videos all over the place, I know. Okay. Take it out. There we go. Actually, let's put some more light in here. Oops. Well, that's about as bright as it's going to get. Oh, no, let's see here. That's about as bright as it's going to get, guys. Sorry about that. I'll have to take care of this through editing of some sort. Here we go. So it's the Aroma ARD-125 dispenser. This is what the boxing looks like. Can we... This is on a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So video quality is what it is. First video. Let's turn it sideways so you guys can see. It sucks. I know it sucks. It sucks. I know. Alright. We're going to try to get this working. So right off the bat, it feels like that very, it's that very thin plastic feeling. Other people, I guess people call it cheap plastic, but it is a container, so it should feel hollow. But it's a very thin plastic. The lever has some weight to it, so when you press it, you gotta put a little more effort into it than it would seem. And then down here, let's pull out the, oh, it actually comes with this little pamphlet, I guess you would say. Only a few pages. Actually, it's like a fold-out pamphlet. So the information you get is pretty generic. Not much to it. Oops, let's see here. All right, here we go. Now, let's pull out the piece of plastic over here. So the container is pretty small. They said 22, I believe 22 cups. But yeah, that's not, well, 22 cups actually here. So this, so it's kind of spacious. Yeah. You can see down in there. Or you can see down in there where the rice falls in, but it's not bad. Got some space in there. So this kind of goes up, and put that back in there. And let's take a look around the other side. There's not too much to this thing. So what I'll do is I will power it on and see how things go. One moment. Okay. So silly me, I thought this was a LCD or something. No, it's just a clear window for the rice, so you can see, you know, the level of the rice. Yeah, other than that, it's just a matter of putting some rice in there and giving it a shot. So, one moment. Okay, so you can see here it's displaying the rice, the level, and just a window into it. Let's see. So this is empty, and let's press it. Let's see what we get. Let's see here. Press once for 1 cup of rice. Okay. Oop, can we see it? There we go. There we go. Okay. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple, not much to it. Alright, That's the Aroma 125 ARD, or the ARD 125, sold on Amazon. Well, thanks guys. Like and subscribe.